Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a triple line border in your Microsoft Word table or the table in your Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. We need first to open Microsoft Word, but if you already have your document, just simply open that as to where you have saved it. So let me just quickly open Microsoft Word. Now, once you're in Microsoft Word, if you already have your table, so let me just quickly insert a table to show you. So here I have now this table. Now, how can we make a triple line border in this table? Well, you have just to click on these four arrows on the left pane to select the table. If you're not going to select this. So once you select this, you will find these two tabs at the top, table design and table layout. But if you're not going to select the whole table, those two tabs will not appear. So you need to make sure first that you're going to select the table in order to perform the action. So click on this four arrows and you'll find these two options, table design and table layout. Now we have to click on table design, and here you will find table styles from here. Then you just need to click on this drop down arrow and you will find all the styles, table styles. But we're going to make a triple line border, so we need to click on this modify table style, and this modify style window will appear. And here you will find the line. So click on this drop down arrow and we just need to look for the triple line border. Let's scroll down. And here it is. You can find the triple line border. So we just need to click on it. And as you can see, you already have the preview in here. And then we just need to simply click on OK. And that's it. You have just created or make a triple line border in your Microsoft Word. You have to select again this whole table. And here you will find this color and choose your color from here, pen color. And then you can also choose your thickness, the weight of your border. Choose the pen color. And simply move this pen to the border, and as you can see, it's very visible. The three line is very visible, the three line border. So that's it. You just have to continue clicking by using the pen and the color of your border will change. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.